Storm. Fridge. Food.
August McGee. First you're gonna need some bread, some peanut butter, and some, you need a spoon and a knife. If you run out of one, you always have another one. A spoon and a knife. Okay, so first you're going to undo the bag. Then you place down the two pieces. You got that, you're set. The knife and get it in there. And you took the jelly. You can do this. You can do it with the original knife that you had, but I'd say that this is probably. And now here comes the plot twist. You take a thing of cottage cheese. Use the spoon. And we're gonna just set that on there. Make sure it gets some nice texture. I've never tried this before, but we'll see what happens. Alright, and the next thing is to take it and voila. Alright guys, so here it is. It's interesting.